What breeds of dogs snore? These breeds have shortened muzzles and pushed facial features. Due to the elongated soft palate which can block airflow during sleep, smaller nostrils and nasal passages, airways, your pet may snore. Common breeds that are known snorers include Bulldogs, Pugs, Boxers, Persians, Himalayans, and Burmese. Which breed of dog snores the most? In this blog, I will cover 5 dog breeds that are notorious for snoring and keeping you up all night. Carlin, the Bulldog, the Shih Tzu, the French Bulldog, the Boston Terrier. Which dogs snore? You probably don't have to worry if your dog is one of the breeds prone to snoring, including Boxers, Spaniels, Pugs, Pekingese, or in general any dog with a shorter muzzle. According to Canidae, this is because the airways are shorter in flat-faced dogs, which can make them more susceptible to blockage. Do all dog breeds snore? This means that almost all brachycephalic dogs will snore. If your dog snores and has always snored, don't worry too much. If you notice a change in your dog's breathing or if he seems to be struggling, consult a veterinarian. Should you be worried if your dog snores? Snoring can prevent your dog from resting as deeply as he otherwise would, and it can cause him to wake up a bit. Any snoring that comes on suddenly definitely warrants a call to the vet. Talk to your vet about what your dog's snoring means. Which dogs fart the most? 9 gassy dog breeds that often lead the win. English Bulldogs. English Bulldogs may be cute, but they're certainly capable of clearing a room in record time, sending innocent victims running off for some fresh air. Boxers. Doberman Pinscher, Golden Retriever, Pugs, Pit Bulls. Ellipsis. Beagle, Terrier U Yorkshire. Why is my dog suddenly snoring loudly? A dog that suddenly starts snoring when he hasn't before may have something blocking his airway, causing a turbulent airflow that makes breathing noisy and snoring. These obstructions can be anything from a grass seed lodged in the nose, to polyps, large benign ones, and abscesses. How do I get my dog to stop snoring? When they get too loud, Dr. Werber says he will often change his dog's position in order to stop the snoring. Some animal experts even suggest getting a humidifier, which increases the humidity in the air and can help dogs, and humans, sleep better. Why does my dog snore like a pig? These grunting or growling sounds are actually called reverse sneezes. Reverse sneezing occurs when a dog's throat and soft palate muscles spasm in irritation. The dog will breathe in too much air through the nose and thus begin the disturbing pig-like sound of your dog. Do dogs snore more as they age? It is common for dogs to snore more and more in their old age. This is usually due to partial or complete laryngeal paralysis, which may have an underlying cause or may simply be due to aging of the nerves. The flexible larynx then blocks the flow of air. This is especially noticeable when your dog is sleeping. Is it normal for a puppy to snore? Puppies snore the same way we humans do. There is an airflow restriction. Any blockage in the nasal passages or nostrils will vibrate as air passes over them and create that familiar cute or not so cute sound. Why do dogs lick you? Affection. Chances are your dog will lick you because he loves you. That's why many people call them kisses. Dogs show affection by licking people and sometimes even other dogs. Licking is a natural action for dogs. Dogs might lick your face if they can get to it. Do dogs snore when they're happy? Instead of pacing around the house as usual, she may pass out on the bed, or the couch or in the middle of the kitchen floor, snoring contentedly. Why do dogs sigh? The most common pleasure sounds are moans and sighs, although dogs also use moans and grunts to communicate happiness. Low-pitched whimpers are very common in puppies and are signs of contentment. Ellipsis. Another contentment sound is the sigh, usually accompanied by the dog lying down with its head on its front legs. Do dogs smile? However, dogs can put a smile on their face. This happens when they open their mouth and withdraw their lips, letting their tongue rest on their teeth. This dog smile usually occurs in situations where they are relaxed and seem happy, which is why dog owners think of it as a smile.